It is bright and early in the morning, and we are leaving Fort Lauderdale on our way to Key West. Gonna stop off at Robbie's along the way, feed some tarpons. Maybe the day is gonna get better than it is. We got Big Dr. Pepper now. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, so come along, enjoy the ride. Never know, might be some wisecrack come out of one of these two.
America's largest injury.
All right, we have made it to Isla Mirada in the Florida Keys to Robbie's. Robbie's is a place that everybody says you just absolutely have to stop and feed the tarpons. So we're going to see what feeding the tarpons is all about. So come on, let's go check this out. So our trip down into the Keys took an unexpected turn early on. Key Largo had a flat. Found out we didn't have a jack and had to pay a tow truck to come out and put the spare on. And now we are in Marathon with this. Having to get 2 new tires just so we can move on. But it is what it is, I guess. Now for the fun part, because you know how I am with heights, and I'm determined this one. We're going up. Let's go. Alright, so don't know how, but I did make it to the top. 88 steps. I did not go out on the balcony. Let's not get crazy with this. But I did make it to the top and look out the window or the door at the top. Baby steps. Alright, so we have done the lighthouse. Now we are going to walk down and get the obligatory Key West photo at the buoy at the Southernmost Point. So this line is the line to get the photo with the buoy at the southernmost point. Apparently it's always a line, but not that bad right now. $5 an hour, $40 for 10 hours on the street. You go in that parking lot right there, they charge you $26 for 2 hours. I am not a fan of key lime pie, but you know, they say when in Rome, or as it is here, when in Key West, we have to try Key West key lime pie and see how this is. And the kids are over here. Check out this face.
Sour.
What did you get?
The key lime pie on a stick with chocolate on it. It's sour.
Frozen key lime pie on a stick dipped in chocolate. What is your verdict?
No.
No?
Start without chocolate.
Better without chocolate. I'll let you know on that here in just a moment.
You didn't like key lime pie. Why is your opinion down? Whatever you want me to know.
You know, it's really not bad. Tart. But it almost tastes like
Key lime pie?
a cheesecake. So, I'm going to dig in. I'll be back with you on Mallory Square for the sunset after a while.
Everybody, watch me now! I'm going to be starting an acrobatic show right over here. First things first, I'd like you to say hello! Hello! Everybody together, everybody loud, hello! Hello! My name is Kevin. I've actually been performing my entire life. I grew up in a family of 6 kids, all performers. All different dads. So check it out. The first little warm-up trick I'm going to give you guys today will actually be done with something that everybody is familiar with. The first trick will be done with a simple, everyday, ocean-killing water bottle. Check it out. I'm going to flip this sucker up in the air, nice and high. I'm going to catch it on just the back of the head for the first one. Basic trick. Ready, one? Sir, can you please stop crossing your arms? Just relax. No one's going to steal your nipples today, I promise. We go, ready, one?
They did
Two.
do that, but I wondered.
Check out warm-up trick number 2. I'm going to flip it up. This time, I'm going to catch it on my head. This trick actually took a while to learn, so guys, if it goes right, really let me have it. Just clap, scream, cheer, whistle, guys. We're just getting started. I'm just looking for that energy. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2.
Because
Down on the foot, back up to the hand. When it hits the hand again, you guys know what to do. Here we go. Ready? Down on the foot, back up to the hand. A few more. I'm going to throw one up. I'm going to catch it on my face. Okay, I'm going to balance it on my nose. From my nose, I'm going to jump it up to my forehead with no hands. Here we go. Ready? On to the nose, from the nose to the forehead, guys. It is a small movement, but it's a tough trick. Watch closely. If you blink, you might miss it. Ready? I'm going to jump it up to my forehead, but first, here we go. Ready? Did you see it? That's only 5 years of my life. We get the show started with something a little weird. I'm going to let you guys decide by clapping and cheering. So let's hear it. Let's hear it. The clubs it is. I'm going to do something weird. I'm going to take my entire body from head to toe, from top to bottom, and I'm going to try and squeeze it through this tiny racket. Okay, whole body through the racket. Right after that, I'm going to see if that man can fit. There. You can pull on that. Make sure it's in one solid piece. Oh, no stretchy bits in there. Draw it all the way around. Try to sweat. Draw it. Good. Look, guys, whole body through the racket. Starting off head first. Here we go. 1, 2. This is how we all looked coming into this world. Here we go. Ready, guys? I'm going to get it over the shoulder. This next part is actually very difficult to watch. If you have a weak stomach, you get queasy easy, turn your head to the side. Close your eyes, guys. I'm going to pop my shoulder out and through the racket. Ready? 1. Oh my God. 1. 2. If it goes, you guys be loud. This is the farthest I've ever gotten. Here we go. Ready? 1. Woo! Here we go, guys. I'm gonna get it down past the chest, down past the chest. Here we go. Ready? All right. Here we go. Ready? Down past each rib, guys. This is where it gets a little funky. I'm gonna pop it over my last rib, using my last rib as leverage against my leg for the rest. Now we're almost there. When it hits the ground, you guys go nuts, clap, scream, cheer, whistle, sir. Throw that child as high as you can. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2.
He looks like he's having a